Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to reveal a fantastic, simple, and effective way to start earning money online by watching Google ads and getting paid $1.45 for each one you view. It sounds too good to be true, but it's completely legitimate thanks to a new app called Cointiply. So, how does this all work? Let's dive in. First off, Cointiply is a cutting-edge platform that's making waves in the online earning community. It's designed to help people like you and me make money online with minimal effort. One of the most exciting features of Cointiply is that it allows you to earn cash simply by watching ads. Yes, you heard that correctly. When you sign up for Cointiply, you gain access to a variety of ads that you can watch at your convenience. Each ad you view will earn you $1.45, which adds up quickly if you watch several ads throughout the day. The process is incredibly straightforward. Let me walk you through it. First, you need to sign up for Cointiply. Don't worry, it's a breeze. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your email address and create a password. Once you're registered, you'll have access to your personal dashboard where you can start exploring the available ads. The ads are presented in a user-friendly interface, and you can choose which ones to watch based on your schedule. After you watch an ad, your earnings will be credited to your Cointiply account immediately. It's that easy. Cointiply also offers other ways to make money, such as completing surveys, playing games, and participating in promotional offers. But watching ads is one of the most passive ways to earn. You can do this while you're lounging on the couch, waiting for an appointment, or even during a lunch break. It's a fantastic way to turn your downtime into a profitable activity. Additionally, Cointiply has a reliable payout system. Once you accumulate a certain amount of earnings, you can request a withdrawal, and the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account or other payment methods supported by the app. This makes it easy to access your hard-earned cash. The app also includes a rewards program where you can earn bonuses and incentives for reaching specific milestones or completing particular tasks, which can significantly increase your earnings. So, if you're looking for an effortless way to make some extra money online, Cointiply is definitely worth checking out. It's a great option for anyone who wants to earn cash without committing a lot of time or effort. Plus, watching ads is a low-barrier activity that just about anyone can do. I've dropped a link in the description below for you to sign up and get started with Cointiply. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your income with a straightforward and enjoyable method. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.